In this video, we'll talk about the circuit for your reed switch motor. So far, we have the electro magnet or solenoid, and we have the rotor, which is just popsicle sticks um, with two permanent magnets on the side. And again, make sure that the same polarity is out. So if a magnet sticks to this side, it should also stick to this side. So they should do the same action. Also, as I turn it around, I want the gap right here to be the smallest that it can be. So see, like it's super close but not touching, super close but not touching. All right, next we're gonna make the circuit. So the circuit's gonna have a switch I can turn on and off. On the switch, I'm just gonna solder to the middle and one of the outsides. It doesn't matter which one of the outside. So basically now, you can see the switch is facing this way. So basically the middle and this pin is connected. So it's off. And if I turn it this way, the middle and that end is connected. So now it's on. So middle and one of the outsides, it doesn't matter. So I have a switch. I have my battery, and again, it doesn't really matter whether you have positive, negative, or negative, positive. It's just going to attract or repel, and we can make it work either way. So that's going to be in series with the switch. Then I have the reed switch, the magnetic switch right here, and then I go back to my electromagnet. So it's all just a series circuit, just a single loop of wire that goes all the way through. All right. When I bent my reed switch, remember that's super thin glass. So if I bend it by hand, there's a good chance I gotta just break it and get in my finger. So if you're gonna bend anything, grab a plier like this. Just grab the end of it and then bend on the outside of this. Then you don't get the glass in your hand. All right. So now we are ready to see if this thing works. So the first thing I'll do, I'll turn it on and I'll move it over here. So how this is going to work is you can see right now there's no reaction because there's no magnetic field close to the reed switch. So essentially the circuit is off, it's open. I take a magnet and I move it close to the reed switch, and you can see like this guy moved away. So in my case, my electromagnet is repelling it. Let's put it back and you can see like it when I move the magnet by it, it'll repel it. So mine repels. Okay, so now I know that it works. And whether it attracts or repel, we can make it work either way. So typically, what I really want to happen in theory is right when it's passed, let's say it's spinning this way, right as it gets past, like right here, I want to repel it so it goes like this. Now it goes off, right here turns on and repels it again. So I want to strub it right about right here, right? Right as it go past, which means I want the reed switch to be over here somewhere. Typically, if you make a straight line, it's going to be on either side of that line, depending on whether you are attracting or repelling. So I'm going to go right here, and you can see it's already starting to go. Little itty bitty placements makes a big difference. So I'm going to go as close as I can. You can see it goes faster as I go closer. And then I can even move it to the right and left a little bit. See, if I go this way, now it's slowing down. If I go this way, now it's speeding up. So you just find the place that's the best for your setup. Small movements. And then once you have it, now I would go in and I would glue it down. So you leave um, everything loose. You find out where it's going to work the best, and then you come in. So I hope that makes sense on how this is going to work. Thank you.